Hello, welcome. Let us have a problem on equation of a straight line. Little tricky problem, but not at all difficult. Find the image of the point 1, 2 in the line x minus 2y minus 7 is 0. Okay. Let us think that this is the given line, equation of this line x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. X minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Let us take the equation of this line. We have to find the image of the point 1, 2. Let me take this point as P1, 2 in this line. That means this line, given line, acts as a mirror line. Okay. So, the image will be P dash. Let us take as alpha beta. Okay. We know that image distance is equal to object distance. That means from the mirror line, the distance of the point or the object from the mirror line is equal to distance of the mirror line from the object and also the image. These two are equal. Okay. So, coordinates of point P 1, 2. Equation of the line x minus 2y minus 7 is 0. We have to find the coordinates of the image of P when it reflects through this line. Okay. X minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Let us find the slope of this line. And also we know that the line segment joining the object and the image is perpendicular to the mirror line. So these two lines are perpendicular. That means the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So let us find the slope of this given equation. X minus 7 is equal to 2y or y is equal to x by 2 minus 7 by 2. That implies m1 is equal to 1 by 2. So for this equation, I have taken the slope as m1. Okay. Now P is equal to 1, 2 given. Let P dash alpha beta is the image of P. The image of P. Okay. Then let us find the slope of PP dash. Slope of PP dash, let us take it M2. Difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. Okay. And we know now we got the slope of the given line, slope of PP dash, and we know that they are perpendicular to each other, those two lines. So product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Okay. So according to the question, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus beta by 1 minus alpha equal to minus 1. Remaining part, let me do here. Okay. Let me simplify. 2 minus beta by 2 into 1 minus alpha, 2 minus 2 alpha is equal to minus 1, or 2 minus beta equal to minus 2 plus 2 alpha, or 2 alpha plus beta. 2 will be cancelled. 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So when the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, when we have taken, we got, actually this is minus 2, sorry, minus 2 plus 2 will not be cancelled, minus 2, here is plus 2, 2 alpha plus beta equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 2 alpha plus beta equal to 4, let it be equation 1. And one more, we know that O is the point of intersection of these two lines is the midpoint of PP dash, because object distance is equal to image distance. So let us find the coordinates of O. O, that is the coordinates of O, that is midpoint. Midpoint of PP dash, let us find midpoint of PP dash equal to, you know, sum of the x coordinates by sum of the y coordinates. Sum of the x coordinates by 2 gives you the x coordinate of the point. Sum of the y coordinates by 2 gives you the y coordinate of the midpoint of PP dash. And these 2 points, that is O lies on this line. That means these 2 points satisfy the equation x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So let us substitute the values of x and y, these 2 values of x and y, that means the coordinates of O in this equation. So x minus 2y minus 7 is 0, 1 plus alpha by 2 minus 2 into 2 plus beta by 2 minus 7 is 0, 2 is cancelled, 2 is the LCM, 1 plus alpha, you will get 2 minus 4 minus 2 beta minus 7 is 0, and let me clear the top portion and do for you. So we got this equation, slopes not needed, okay. So let us simplify this. We got alpha minus 2 beta minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 plus 1 is minus 10 equal to this 2 when it goes this side 0. That means alpha minus 2 beta equal to 10. So you see here we got one equation in terms of alpha and beta. 2 alpha plus beta is 4 we got, and here we got one more equation, alpha minus beta, alpha minus 2 beta is equal to 10. I think this one also 7 by 1 means you will get 14 here. Here that means minus 14 minus 4 minus 18 plus 1 is minus 17. So here we will get 17. So one equation 2 alpha plus beta is 4. Other one alpha minus 2 beta is 17. Here 2 alpha, here alpha. So let me multiply this equation by 2. We'll get 2 into alpha minus 2 beta equal to 2 into 17, or 2 alpha minus 4 beta equal to 14. And now let us take this equation. 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Let us subtract these. 2 alpha minus 2 alpha cancel. Minus 4 beta minus beta is minus 5 beta equal to minus 14 minus 4 is 10. That means beta is equal to 2 alpha minus 4 beta equal to 17 2s are 34. 34 minus 4 is 30. Okay. Now that implies beta is equal to 30 by minus 5. That gives you minus 6. That means the y coordinate of the image we got. Let us find the x coordinate alpha. Simpler equation, anyone we can take. Alpha minus 2 beta equal to 17. Alpha minus 2 into minus 6 is 17. Or alpha plus 12 equal to 17. Or alpha equal to 17 minus 12, that is 5. So the value of beta is minus 6. The value of alpha is 5. Therefore, P dash, we have to find the image of P. Therefore, P dash is the image of P is equal to 5 minus 6. So that is what we have to find, and it is found out. The image of the point P is 5 minus 6. Thank you.